In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in a WhatsApp group. So basically, what you need to do is that you need to open your WhatsApp and you want to tap and open the group that you want to create a pause. So I'm just gonna choose this for an example. And down right here, you're going to see here where we have this plus icon right here. So you tap on that plus icon and this is going to bring you this menu right here. And down right here, you can see here where it says poll. So tap on that. Once this open, this is where you are going to actually ask the question that you want to ask on the poll. So basically, I'm just gonna write something right here. And then put some emojis. And then once you're done, all you just need to do, I forgot something right here. I'm just gonna put this question mark. So once you're done right here, all you just need to do is to click on send at the top right here, and then your poll be sent in the group. So as you can see, we now have created our poll. So now people can actually vote. So they will just need to vote. They just need to tap on whatever option they want. And then later on, you can see the votes right here by clicking on view votes, and you'll be able to see the votes of what people voted on. So basically, guys, this is how you can create a poll on a WhatsApp group.